What is up? Got a request from my colleague, Michael, and he was asking me about captions in Teams. Where are they? Well, according to our friends at Microsoft, get the right page open here. Finally. Yes, there is built-in captions. Happy days. Says here, Teams has built-in closed captioning. You can turn on from the meeting controls. Well. I love that advice, Microsoft, but here's the thing. I'm in Teams here, and I ain't got no options for captions. However, let's jump over to a recording I'm making on an iPad where I have joined the meeting as a participant to see if we can activate the captions. And I've joined as a student, and indeed, we can see that there are captions. And they're coming at the bottom here. Now, it's pretty cool. It's pretty accurate. And that's not too bad. Not too bad. I mean, I do have not a very thick Belfast accent after being international for so many years, but it's definitely transcribing or captioning, should I say, my voice. And then, of course, to activate it, just click on that ... down there at the bottom and then turn on your live captions. Getting back to you about this different language choice. Maybe there's something in the admin section which I haven't played around with yet. But according to, and I did look at 3 different websites. I don't know how accurate they are, but this is Iowa Information Technology Services. It says it's only available in US English. I also please don't criticize me too heavily. I'm sure these are fantastic websites. Techni Pages as well also says here only available in English US. And then according to the official source, Microsoft, you have up to 28 languages. Listen, Microsoft, I don't doubt for a second that you do have those 28 language options, but I cannot find them. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, and maybe in a little bit more digging, I'll find it in the admin center. Good luck with using your captions for your Teams lessons, and I will see you in a bit.